it's all the same. If you let it go, and who's to blame? As if you know, I look down from the steering, walk away. And it's time after time, so much the same, leave you blind, yeah, it's a little insane, don't you know? Something in the brain and can't let it go. And your feet's tapping to a beat, and you're walking now, and you're down the street. Just to know your name and to go. I got the weight of shame. If I hadn't looked so sad and kinda smiled, been so long, it's been a while. Don't you know it? Don't you let it grow, and it can flow. And it's time after time, so much the same, yeah, leave you blind, a little insane, don't you know? Something in the brain and can't let it go. A few chords to a song, and if I wrote it, it took too long, they're coming and gone. So much time unsure, and little do I know. And I ain't gotta sing it, though it's been said. And I wrote this paper, and it's never been read. Like a poem from the heart, won't come out, won't get torn apart. Didn't I know you once? And this is all I know, and this is all I did. Could have been so small, but turned out so big, like a cancer growth. You can't deny.